Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16 data handling, especially probability. Okay, so exercise 16.1, question number 1. Question number 1 है a die is thrown, find the probability of getting a prime number, not a prime number, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5. Okay, so first we find the all possible outcomes. Okay, when you throw a dice, then you see sometimes 1, all possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So total number of outcomes is 6. Okay, so when a dice rolled once or throw once, so all possible outcomes we write here. First we write all possible outcomes. Okay, so question number 1, this is we write here all possible outcomes is equal to what? All possible outcomes is equal to, you write 1 because all of you know dice, and I hope all of you play dice. Then you can see it all face have indicated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dice have 6 face, and all face have indicated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we write all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, this is all possible outcomes. When you throw dice once or when you roll dice once, then you saw all possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 or 6. Okay, so in this way you find the total number of outcomes, or the total number of outcomes is, we write here total number of outcomes is equal to 6, because when you roll a dice, then maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are all possible outcomes when you throw you roll dice. And when you throw a coins, then all possible outcomes is head or tail. This is 1 point. This is all possible outcomes when you throw the 1 dice. Clear? Now, so in this way you can see that the total number of outcomes is 6. Clear? And this is the total number of outcomes when you throw a coin. Clear? So first question arises here. Find the probability of prime numbers. Okay? So here you can see the all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all possible outcomes. So number of prime numbers. We find the probability of prime numbers. So how many numbers of this is prime number? So 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is also prime numbers. Okay, so the event is getting a prime numbers and outcomes are 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so the number of favorable outcomes, you can see here 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So number of favorable outcomes. Okay. So you can write here the prime numbers are when a dice rolled once, number of prime numbers. Write here when a die through, or you can say rolled. Okay. When a die through are rolled once, number of prime number of ones prime number are prime number are prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. Okay. When a die rolled once, the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So number of prime numbers. Okay. So the number of prime number, or you can say, you write here the number of favorable outcomes. Show the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. Because when you throw a dice, then you find the all possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So our favorable numbers, we need to find the probability of prime numbers. Okay. So in this all possible outcomes, the prime number is 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers when we roll a dice once. Okay. So number of favorable outcomes is 3 and the total number of outcomes is 6. This is clear. So we find getting a prime number, probability of getting a prime number. So just write, therefore probability of getting a prime number. Getting a prime number, we can write probability of getting a prime number. So you know very well what is the formula to find probability. Number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. Okay. So you write this is equal to number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Okay. Here you can see we find probability number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. This is clear. Now, so favorable outcomes is 3 because we need to find the probability of prime numbers when dice through. So prime number is 2, 3 and 5. So number of favorable outcomes is 3 and total number of outcomes is 6 because when you threw a dice, then all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of total outcomes is 6 and number of favorable outcomes is 3. So the probability of getting prime number is 3 by 6. Okay. You can write it 1 by 2. If you cancel, then you get 1 by 2. I repeat this question again. In this question, this is given under when a dice is rule. Find the probability of getting a prime numbers. Okay. So when you throw dice, we roll dice, then you observe that all possible numbers. Some is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is all possible outcomes. So you can say the total number of outcomes is 6. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means total number of outcomes is 6. But what is our condition? Our condition is that we need to find probability of a prime number. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see a 2, 3 and a 5 are prime number. So in our favorable numbers is 2, 3, 5 because it is prime number. Why it is our favorable? Because we need to find the probability of getting a prime number. So 2, 3, 5 is our favorable number. So the number of favorable outcomes is 3 because when we throw the dice we obtain 2, 3, 5 as a prime numbers and 1 and other numbers is others. Okay. So here we find number of favorable outcomes is 3. So we need to find here probability of here represent probability of getting prime numbers. This is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So total outcomes here 6 and favorable outcomes here 3. So it becomes 3 by 6 or you can see 1 by 2. So in this way you can see you find the probability of getting prime numbers is 1 by 2. The second part of this question is that find the probability of getting not a prime numbers. Okay. So not a prime numbers, number are not prime numbers is 2, 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. The event, in this event, not getting prime numbers and outcomes are 1, 4, 6 are not a prime numbers. Okay. So you can say the numbers are favorable outcomes is again 3. So you find the probability of prime numbers, the probability of not prime numbers. Okay. So again 3 by 6 because all the probability, all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So total number of outcomes is 6. Clear? Now, so let's see. This is the first part. Now, we are going to discuss the second part of this question number 1. Clear? In second question, we need to find the probability getting a non-prime numbers. Okay. Now, in second question, clear? This is exercise 16.1. Okay, exercise 16.1. So first we find here all possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is clear. And total number of outcomes is 6. We find the prime number, not prime numbers, total outcomes of not prime numbers. The event is not getting a prime number and outcomes is 1, 4 and 6. Okay. So here our favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes का अगर आप यहाँ पे first write here not getting prime number okay when a die thrown. Okay, this is equal to 1, 4, 6. Not getting prime number when a die throw. When a die throw, not getting prime number is 1, 4, 6. These numbers are not prime numbers. Okay, or you can say 4, 6 in composite numbers and 1 is neither composite number, not prime numbers. Okay, so now, so you write here number of favorable outcomes. number are favorable. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to what? Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3, because when you threw the dice, the not getting prime number is 1, 4 and 6. So number of favorable outcomes is 3. Okay, because you need to find the probability of getting not a prime numbers. This is clear. And now you know very well the formula to find probability. Clear. So probability not getting prime number is equal to, right here, represent probability not getting prime number is equal to what? Probability not getting prime number is equal to number of favorable outcomes, right here, is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, so favorable numbers is 3 and the total number is here, you can say 6. If you cancel it, then you obtain 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the probability of getting not prime numbers. Okay, now in this question we need to find the probability of getting not a prime numbers when die is thrown once. Okay, so when we throw dice, then we obtain all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is clear. Now after this we find not a prime number, so then you can see 1, 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. So this is 3 numbers. So our favorable outcomes is 3 and all possible total number of outcomes is 6. So our probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss a third part of these questions. Number greater than 5 means find the probability of getting a number greater than 5. So let's see how to find the probability a number getting more than 5 or greater than 5. Okay, so let's see. Now, so when you throw a dice, then we obtain all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And clear. Now the third part. Now in question number 1, third part. And clear. So you can write here when you throw a dice, then all possible outcomes you can write here. All possible outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is clear. Now this is all possible outcomes. Now you can write here total numbers of outcomes. Total numbers of outcomes. So we got a total total number of out comes is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all possible outcomes, and total numbers are 6. So we need to find the probability greater than, find the probability of getting a number greater than 5. So you can see all these number 1 is less than 5, again 2 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 4 is also less than 5. Okay, these are all possible outcomes. Only we have 5 and 6. 5 is equal to 5 and 6 is greater than 5. Okay, so we need to find greater than 5. So we have only one number, this number 6. 6 is greater than 5. So it means that favorable outcomes, the number of favorable outcomes is 1. Okay, because only 6, these are all possible outcomes. 6 is only the greater than 5s. Okay, so we can say 6 is only the greater than 5. In this event, getting number then greater than 5, only 6. 6 is greater than 5, so you can say the number favorable numbers. All possible numbers you can say, all possible outcomes you can see are 6. So you find the numbers of favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1. Because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are less than or is equal to 5, but 6 is greater than 5. So we need to find the probability of getting a number greater than 5. Okay, so total number of outcomes is 6, number of favorable outcomes is 1. So here you write probability of, we write here probability of getting a number, probability of getting a number greater than 5. Probability of getting a number greater than 5. Greater than 5. This is equal to what? This is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. You can write here. So number of favorable outcomes is 1. You write here number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, the number of favorable number is 1 and total number of outcomes is 6. So in this way you can see the probability getting a number greater than 5. Getting a number greater than 5 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting a number greater than 5 is 6. Okay, now we are going to discuss next part, question number fourth part of question number 1. But in these questions we need to find the getting a number greater than 5s. Okay, so you can see only 6 is greater than 5. So our total number is 1, but our possible number is 6. So 1 upon 6, this is the probability. Now the second, fourth part of these questions, a number not greater than 5. Find the probability of a number of getting a numbers greater than, not greater than 5. Means not greater than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not greater than 5. Okay. Also you can include 5, because 5 is equal to 5, not greater than 5. So let's see how to find. This is the third part. Now we are going to discuss fourth part of question number 1. So here we also, when we move through our dice, then all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and now see the question fourth part of this question. Clear? And this is the fourth part of this question. Now, the possible, all possible outcomes which is not greater than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When a die throw, when a die rolled once, when a die rolled once, all possible outcomes which is greater than which is less than 5. You can write all possible outcomes which is not greater than 5. Greater than 5. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When a die roll once, all possible outcomes which is not greater than 5, this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? But when a dice throw, the all possible outcome without any condition is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is clear? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are not greater than 5. So the number of favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes is equal to what? How many numbers are not greater than 5? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write here 5. 5 numbers are not greater than 5. Okay? And total all possible outcomes, our total number of outcomes is 6, and our favorable outcomes is 5. This is clear? Now, so you find the probability of getting not greater than 5. Okay? So you can write here probability. Clear? Probability getting number not greater than 5. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, we know the formula, number of favorable outcomes, right here, number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. Okay? So favorable outcomes is here, you can see 5. Clear? Favorable outcomes is 5 and total outcomes is here 6. So 5 by 6. Clear? In this way you can see the our required probability is 5 by 6. So then I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.